Hello beautiful souls and welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting video. I'll be unboxing my beautiful new Christmas tree and showing you how I've decorated my living room for Christmas this year. The tree I went with is the gorgeous white Vermont spruce from Balsam Hill. Balsam Hill make the most realistic artificial trees, and the best part is they come with the option to purchase them pre-lit. If you need help selecting the perfect tree for your space, Balsam Hill have an artificial tree guide over on their website, which I'll link down below. I found it very helpful as it guides you on what tree will work best in what rooms, practical things to consider, how to measure your space, and selecting the best shape for your home. Their trees come in regular, slim, and they even have a flat back for smaller spaces. They've honestly thought of everything. I went with the 225 centimeter Vermont white spruce, which comes in 2 large boxes. The tree also comes with 2 storage bags and a little pouch with some replacement bulbs and fuses. There was also a remote and 2 sets of gloves for fluffing the tree. This is the gorgeous Roaring 20s ornament set from Balsam Hill. I literally gasped when I opened the box. They are just the most stunning ornaments that I have ever seen. I knew they were going to be beautiful when I ordered them, but they were just even more breathtakingly beautiful in person. They are all made from hand-blown glass and embellished with hand-applied beading and glitter accents. for the base of the tree, I went with this Ivory Lodge faux fur tree skirt. It looks so lush and it feels so incredibly soft. These are the Miracle Flame LED wax filler candles, and if you haven't seen these before, they look and feel just like a real candle. They come with a remote that allows you to adjust the brightness, and you can also set the speed of the flicker. They make the room feel so cozy in the evenings. I actually ended up creating this little DIY fireplace for them to sit in. If you're interested in how I made this, I shared all of the details over on my Instagram page. It's actually made from cardboard. And of course, I had to get the matching Vermont spruce wreath and garland. They also come pre-lit and match the tree perfectly.